my name is Hatter with NYC Marketers. This video is for the team over at IceKold HVAC. I made this short video for you guys in which I'll explain 3 things you could do today to bring in more customers to your business. So if by the end of the video you like what you see, give me a call, we can chat. I'll get right into it. I'll try to keep it short and sweet. The 3 things I'm going to talk about today are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. So the first thing will be content. As you can see, I'm on the home page of your website. The content will be anything that's on here, from the pictures, words, videos, all that stuff. Now, to be able to rank on Google, beat out the competition, and be found in the searches, you want to have at least 1,500 or more words on this home page right here. So keep that in mind, 1,500 or more words on your home page right here. And also, a little word of advice: how you save your pictures and what's behind them matters as well. For example, I'll try to see what's behind this picture right here. Right there, it's a bunch of letters and characters, which is not going to help you at all. If you save this with some good keywords, that as well adds on to the whole layer of SEO to your website. And also, you probably want to make some changes, like right here, finish it off, right, the actual New Jersey part over there. And that's for the home page right here. The second thing I want to talk about will be citations. I just did a quick search for HVAC companies just to show you what customers will see when they search something like this. So the first thing that pops up will be these 3 boxes up top. This is called the Google Guaranteed section. In this section, it's a paid service through Google in which they verify a business through a verification process, and once they approve them, you're allowed to advertise in this top section right here. This is a really good place to be because it's the first thing customers see, and it gives really good leads to your company. Secondly, you move on down to this section right here, which is your traditional Google Ads section. This is a hit or miss in 2020. A lot of people got something called an ad blocker, which if that's enabled on the browser, they're not even going to see this. And also, it really matters on where it's placed, what the words are, what the link is. So you got to maximize it and know the company you're working with knows what they're doing to get your money back from this service. Thirdly, we move on to the Google Map Pack. In my recommendation, you should definitely want to be in these top 3 spots because a lot of people, they search through their phone, and this really enhances the search and shows them top 3 companies. And also, I'll explain right here what a citation really is. So a citation is basically anywhere on the web which allows you to put in your business information, such as your business name, phone number, and address. That counts as a citation. Now, you'll put these in national directories, like, for example, we move down to like Yelp, Home Advisor, Angie's List, White Pages, those kind of websites. And talking about this section, this is called the organic section. In this section, you'll find the websites and companies, rather, which have beat out their competitors' websites and made it to the first page of the Google search. This is definitely where you want to be at. And lastly, I want to talk about backlinks. A backlink is basically any website out there which is providing a link that leads to your website. So here I use this tool. It's called Ahrefs. It's a monthly paid tool. I pay for it every month, but it gives me really good information on how to assess the performance of a website. As you can see, I've pulled up your website, icekoldair.com, and I can see that you have 16 referring domains to you, giving you 158 backlinks, giving you 13 keywords, and giving you about a few people coming to your website every single month. Now, to put this into context, I pulled up a local competitor to see what their numbers look like. Right here, big difference. Let's run the numbers. 716 referring domains, 3,100 backlinks, almost 27,000 keywords they're ranking for, and getting at least 26,000 organic traffic or people visiting their website per month. Let me go back to yours. So boosting all these numbers, putting them up in the thousands is definitely something that's very doable, and we specialize in that. And let's go back to your website. So some cosmetic touches, some word placement, strong keyword, targeted pictures, all these little things help a website beat out the competition and attract more traffic to your website, the reason you created it in the first place. Like I said, I'll keep it short and sweet. This is all I had for you today. I really hope you found the information I provided to be educational. And if you'd like to know more on how NYC marketers can help you grow your business online, give me a call. I'd love to talk. If not, no worries. Take these free tips I've given you today. I just ask if you could please give me some feedback on what you thought about the video and how I did. Thank you so much for watching. You guys have yourself a great day.